everybody and welcome back to another video. It is your girl B Sword, and for today's video we're going to be ranking cartoons. And yeah, we're going to be ranking cartoons. So I randomly found this tier list and I just wanted to test try it out. So yeah, so it goes from SS all the way down to F. So the first show we got is Littlest Pet Shop. I grew up with Littlest Pet Shop, but if we're talking about my era of Littlest Pet Shop, that would be like maybe A or B, but I'm gonna put it in A. Next up, we got DuckTales. Oh, DuckTales is like SSS. Like, this is the only show that actually did the reboot right. Like, literally, straight up. I think DuckTales is the only show that got rebooted that's actually, like, good. Avatar: The Last Airbender, that's going into A. No, S. Yeah, S. Batman, the Brave and the Bold. I heard it's not good, so I'm gonna put it in F. Family Guy. I'm not the biggest fan of Family Guy, I'm sorry. Is that Ultimate Spider-Man? Actually, let me make a tier for the shows I haven't seen. So let's add row below. And then I'm gonna put who. Where's the question mark? Oh, here it is. Who. That's gonna go in here. Never watched this. American Dragon Jank Long. That is going into A. Pac-Man The Ghostly Adventures. I heard a lot of people did not like this. I personally liked it, but I'm gonna put it in C. Johnny Test. I know a lot of people hate Johnny Test, but I personally like Johnny Test. So that's gonna go in B. Oh, I really enjoyed this show. I forgot what it's called, but I'm gonna put it in A. OKKO F. Ben 10. Only the original 3 shows. If we're counting Ben 10 like the OG, that goes in S easily. But if we're talking about the other two, they actually the other two are actually not that bad. I put in like the other two after that, I would put it in A, but then the reboot is F. But if we're talking about the Ben 10 franchise like as a whole, A. Actually B. I'm saying as a whole. But if this is the original Ben 10, that would go in S. You know what? I'm gonna put it in S. Never watched that. The Loud House is A. Never, never watched Robot Chicken. Never watched that. I heard it's. Never watched that. Never watched that. South Park. F. Ed, and Eddie. That's going into SSS. Never watched that. Tom and Jerry. A. I don't know what that is. Don't know what that is. Hey Arnold. S tier. Never watched that. Johnny Bravo's A tier. Dexter's Laboratory is A tier. I don't know what that is. Adventure Time. It's A. Never. A Gretzko. Or is that a Gretzko? That's A. All Grown Up is A. American Dad is D. Never watched that. Never watched that. Gravity Falls is B tier. Never watched that. Bakugan. Oh wait, sorry about that. Bakugan. It's B. Never watched that. Never. Big Hero 6. The series, never watched that. Never watched this, never watched that, never watched this, never watched this. Chowder's okay. I'll put in B. Clarence. Is that Clarence? That's going into D tier. Courage and the cow. Courage. A. The grim adventures of Billy and Mandy. That is going into A. Never watched Cow and Chicken. Sadly, never watched Young Justice. Danny Phantom is B tier. Lilo and Stitch the series. Oh, that's easily an A. Um, My Little Pony Friendship is Magic. Okay, if we're talking about, I'm gonna be real with you guys. The My Little Pony Friendship is Magic. That was not my era of My Little Pony. My era of My Little Pony is like the oh my god. It's like from 2000s up to 2000, like, the My Little Pony movies, the old My Little Pony movies, like the 2000s. That's my era of My Little Pony, but I think it's okay. It's decent. I know a lot of people love this show, but if we're talking, my that was not my era when it comes to My Little Pony, so yeah, I'm gonna have to put it in the middle. My Life as a Teenage Robot, that is going into B. Teen Titans, that's easily an S tier, like easily SS. Um, Never watched that. Never watched that. Actually, this one is that Fanboy and Chum Chum F. Literally F. Flapjack. Never watched that. Never watched this. Foster's Home for Imaginary Friends. That's going into C. Generator X. That is going into B. Never watched that. This show was okay, so I'm gonna put it in C. Co Kids Next Door. That's S tier. Never. I don't even know what that is. Rugrats. That's easily an SS. Like easily SS. Easily. Never watch Invader Zim. Jimmy Neutron though. That is going into A. Never watched that. Never watched that. Kim Possible. A. The Legend of Korra. That's F tier. That's F tier. Why is there like the same shows? Phineas and Ferb. B. Mighty Magiswords. Oh my god, this is. I understand what they were doing with this show, but just straight up F, man. Planet Sheen is F. Teen Titans Go is F tier. Samurai Jack is going into A. SpongeBob SquarePants. I'm not the biggest fan of SpongeBob. I'll put it in B for. Actually, you know what? Let me put it in A for. Because I already know a lot of SpongeBob fans are going to come for me, so I'm going to just put it in A. Rise of the Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles. It was okay. B tier. It's okay. The Looney Tunes show. Oh my god. How much I used to love this show. Oh my god. A tier. The Fairly Odd Parents. That's B. Steven Universe. I'm not the biggest fan of Steven Universe, so I'm gonna put in C. What's New Scooby Doo? That is A tier. We Bear Bears. I think We Bear Bears was okay. I'll put it in C. No, actually, B. Yeah. Uncle Grandpa is trash. The Powerpuff Girls, S tier. Not the new one, not the reboot, not the reboot, the original one. The original Powerpuff Girls. Also Powerpuff Girls Z, but Powerpuff Girls Z was never like it was just never mind. But I loved the original Powerpuff Girls and Powerpuff Girls Z. Sonic X, that's easily an S. Like, come on now. Totally Spies is going into B. Total Drama Island, that is going into A. Why do they have another DuckTales? Didn't I just. Digimon was okay. I'm not the biggest fan of Digimon, but I'll put it in B. Same with Yu-Gi-Oh. Where's Yu-Gi-Oh? There it is. Yeah, Yu-Gi-Oh was okay. I never was the biggest fan, but Ninjago, that's A tier. Um, the Boondocks. Oh my god, I used to love this show. Oh my god, how much I would stay up late to watch that show on Adult Swim. That Boondocks is easily going into A, like easily. The Amazing World of Gumball. That is A tier. Green Lantern is F, just straight up F. 16. I'll put in D. Is that it? Yeah, I think. The rest of these I just never watched. The pink. Oh wait, the Penguins of Madagascar. That is going into B tier. I think that's it. Yeah, I think that's it. The rest I just don't know. So yeah, that's my tier list, everybody, for cartoons. So I hope you guys enjoy it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and um, again, make sure to like and subscribe for more content. Have a great day. Bye.